Akala ng karamihan ng hospitals, crisis ngayon tungkol lang sa fuel, sa kuryente, supply. Pero ang totoo, hindi yan ang pinakadelikado. Ang pinakadelikado, hindi mo nakikita. Because right now, habang tumataas ang gastos ng hospital mo, tahimik na pagtagas ng pera sa bawat claim na hindi nababayaran ng tama. Tang masakit, hindi ito obvious. Walang alarm, walang warning. Pero tuloy-tuloy ang pagkawala. So today, I'll show you something critical. Bakit sa panahon ng crisis, claims training is no longer optional? It is non-negotiable. Let me ask you this. Mataas ang presyo ng langis, mataas ang cost ng hospital mo, pero tumataas ba yung bayad ng PhilHealth? Hindi. Fixed ang case rate. Ibig sabihin, kahit gaano kamahal ang gastos mo sa pasyente, pareho lang ang bayad sa'yo. What happens? Bawat pasyente, giging mas mahal i-manage, pero hindi tumataas ang kita mo. At dito pumapasok ang pinaka-critical na insight. Hindi ka nalulugi dahil kulang ang pasyente mo. Lulugi ka dahil hindi mo na-maximize ang bawat claim. At kung may error ang claim mo, hindi lang nawawala ang income, lulugi ka pa. May be very direct. Isang maling CF4, isang kulang na detalye, isang hindi tugmang diagnosis at management, pwede kang mawalan ng 20,000, 50,000, minsan 100,000 per case. Hindi lang yan isolated. Multiply that 50 cases, 100 cases, 100 cases, that's millions. Tahimik. Hindi napapansin, pero unti-unting inuubos ang revenue ng hospital mo. Dito nagkakamali ang maraming hospital. Niisip nila, okay lang, konti lang naman ang denied. Tina-crisis, walang konti lang. Because every error is now more expensive. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Hindi kulang ang hospital sa pasyente. Hindi rin kulang sa effort. Kulang training. Most hospitals today operate like this. Ba-iba ang documentation ng doctors. Ba-iba ang understanding ng coders. Ba-iba ang interpretation ng claim staff. Walang standard, walang alignment, walang consistency. At kapag walang consistency, walang predictable na income. That is the problem. Because PhilHealth does not see your intention. They see your documentation. Kung hindi klaro, hindi babayaran. Kung hindi kumpleto, babalik. Kung mali, di-deny. So what is the solution? Not more patience, not more effort, but better training, structured training, training that aligns everyone. Doctors, nurses, coders, billing, medical evaluators. One standard, one system, one direction. So now, you have two choices. Choice number one, continue with pwede na system. Trial and error, kanya-kanyang style. At unti-unting mawawalan ng millions. Hindi mo man lang napapansin. Or choice number two, build a trained, lined, disciplined claim system where every claim is checked. Every documentation is guided. Every case is maximized. Because in today's crisis, fake claims is not a luxury. It is survival. Hindi na ito about pagiging compliant lang. It is about protecting your income. Because at the end of the day, you cannot control oil prices. You cannot control inflation. You cannot control PhilHealth rates. But you can control one thing. Your claim system, ang tanong ngayon, handa ba ang hospital mo? Unti-unti na itong nawawalan. Hindi mo namamalayan? Para sure, let me train your doctors and staff. Target natin 500 million pesos.